All right, guys, we are on the final lock. We've picked 21 locks all the way around the perimeter. This is lock number 22. On the back, it says it is a Grosvenor cable lock. I've never seen one of these guys. No telling how old this thing. Probably for a bicycle, would be my guess. I did take a look inside the keyway. It does look like a wafer lock. So let's see if we can find a tensioner here. That ought to be good. And a pick. Need something deep with a wide tip. I think that'll get it. Pick from the bottom here. Slide that in there. I had just assumed 4 just on the thickness of this lock, and it seems like I'm right. It feels like 4. All right, see what we got here. A little tension. A little tricky getting that tensioner up in there. All springy. Let me apply a little more tension on this thing. In fact, a lot more tension. And again, all springy. Let me see if they got some kind of other secret in here. Some kind of detent or sliders, something like that. I don't see anything. It's really wide open keyway. And in fact, I can count 4 wafers from right here. I can see the plates, so. Well, I'm looking at this arrow, and I'm guessing that's to lock it. So let's try to unlock it going that way. Let's just try it. There's a little lip on the inside of the tensioner right there to prevent the tension wrench, but if I allow it to slide all the way in, it kind of blocks that first wafer, so I've got to stick him in like halfway there. All right, let me try to get centered here. And of course now he doesn't want to grab. All right, here we go. That's half of a tension wrench sticking in. All right, that's pin or wafer 4. I got to click. Wafer 2, got to click, and there we go. Started to unlock. Wait a minute. Yeah, I may have to unlock him again. This thing come out? No. Wonder if I gotta, this is one of those locks you gotta pick like half a dozen times. Probably is. Okay, I went 1 notch. Let's pick another notch. And that'll be enough, I think, to slide him off. This is the hard part. Finding a good place for your tension wrench. All right, here we go again. Okay, another notch. And it locked up again at that mark. So that's what's happening here. Every time you do it, it gives you a little bit of slack. But I think, let me back this up a little bit so you guys can see what's going on here. I think that's enough play. 2 notches. Pull that out of there. That'll give us, oh, cigars. What do you know? That should give us enough play to get that cable lock off. Tell you what, these hasps have been a total pain in the tuchus the whole time. I had zip tied them down, but in anticipation of getting in here, I took all the zip ties off. These things are sharp as razor blades. All right, there we go. And that is the, I know you guys don't care about this. You just want to see what's in it. And I do too, but anticipation, guys, is the spice of life, right? Grosvenor cable lock, USA, made in San Francisco. All right, let's see what's in this thing. I've been waiting a long time for this. Let me pull all these darn shackles out of the way. Come on. All right, sitting flat. Get all these shackles open. One more here in the front. More on the side. Come on, come on. Let's see what's in it. Well, our journey is partially over. We can at least replenish our nutrition, but it looks to me like we are not quite finished. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. We're most of the way there. We have another pirate chest to take a look at. Good gravy. But at least we got some doubloons out of this to give me the energy to attack this thing. And there I was thinking the journey had come to an end, but we're just getting started. All right, guys, stick around. Let's see what we can make of this. Thanks, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. All right, we've seen him before. A little push button called a Titya. I've seen those before. And a master, so I'm not going to worry too much about him. A Brinks. Probably something Russian. Yeah, little pull. Chest. Again, awesome.